This is my car when I just a little baby. I have it, but it's yellow. Not as pink like this. Do you want to see a ghost of the front of the hood of the car? This. This. So, I like the car, but I want to buy it. But don't have some money. So, you have to pay for me to have money. Okay, tada, guys. This is my car. This is the tire, round and round. Oh, the color is pink. And the door is cannot open. And I can drive it here. And then, this is the, hey, where's the button? This is the black one. This is Lucy's back of the car. So that's why this car is crazy. That's why I lost the car. Thank you for watching my video. Dadah! Hey guys, I'm in the shop. I just want to buy something. Let's forward. What? This slippers. Go here. Let's find weird. Spinning. So much weird. Look here. What's this? A back. Here is what? Then, where is some? What's this? Stick over it. Oh, it's for praise. This is. There's some. And what's this? This ghost doing here. What's that? What's a ghost? All ghosts. I can't kill it though. What? Giant slippers? How funny. It's not funny. I think we have to go up. There's an elevator there. Oh no. Just find it out. That's the elevator. I think we have to. Let's go forward again. Find the elevator. Let's go to the elevator. What? Oh. Yuk kita lihat cara mainan. Thank you for watching my video. Dadah. Mainan. What? Mainan sepeda? Pesawat. Nih. Ini sepeda. Bicycle.